Today we're looking at homophones. Homophones are words that sound the same but are spelt very differently, like these ones: two, two and two. Hello again, welcome to my channel. Today we're looking at two, two and two. Those are homophones. The first one, two. This is used to show motion, actions. So if you want to write a sentence, I am going to the market. I am going to the market. So I'm at home. I need to drive my car to the market. I am going to school. Okay, so that's to show emotion. To. The next one is the double O, but it still sounds the same. To. It means also or extremely. Okay, so for example, this sentence: I have too many kids. I have too many kids in my class. Or I have too many tasks to do. Okay, now you can count the kids, you can count the cats, the tasks. I know I've got 5 tasks to do today. In my opinion, that's too many. But if I was to put an uncountable noun in there, so milk, for example, milk. Okay, so let's see if we can rub this one out. And if I'm saying milk, so I have too much milk in my cup. Too much, because you cannot count milk. Okay, so many and much depends on the countable facts or not. The next homophone we're going to look at is this one, two. 2 is the number. So I saw 2 birds in a tree. I think that one's the quite easiest one. It's just a spelling of that one. So that 2 means a number. I saw 2 birds in the tree. So that was just a quick lesson today on two, and two. Let's see your sentences. Why don't you make some sentences below using those 3 homophones? And I'll be interested to see what they are. Thanks for watching today. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video. Bye bye for now.